All right, guys, a gorgeous day. Check out. That's got to be early NASCAR right there. Safety device. That's how these seats are bolted in. Got my helper out here today, my son. What do you think, Josh?
I don't know.
Huh? What do you think of that seat being bolted in like that?
I think the people who made this bus are crazy.
Crazy, yeah. Not so safe, but what do you got in there? Anything good?
No.
No? Oh boy. I see a baggie. We'll just leave that in there for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just leave that in there for now.
Who knows what that bag has been through?
Yeah, I got a strong suspicion, but we'll just leave it at that. All right. So we're going to, what are we doing? Taking this mat out?
Sure.
Checking for rust and crust? All right, we're going to get back after it.
Ooh,
Hopefully we don't find any more baggies.
I found a net. I found a nail. I found me. Treasure hunters.
What's going on, buddy? What do you got going on back there?
Just cleaning up.
Organizing?
Yeah, because you left this bus a mess.
I did?
Yeah, I couldn't even walk in it.
Nice. Looks good. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Just cleaning up the rust off the dash. Again, least of my worries, but
What?
I've got the mad scientist over here. What are you doing?
No.
Working with the apple cider vinegar project?
Yep. Hold on. Just gotta.
Show us. What are you working on?
This I found.
Yeah, what is that, a saw blade? Careful. My cigar ashtray is not coming out so well, but
We'll try that one more time.
well, my mad scientist did put a rusty saw blade in there, which you might have seen, and that thing came out really well. Nice. So it does work. Alright.
My turn.
Good. Nice job. Nice job. So my bus has tears streaming from his eyes. I'm trying to figure out if that's tears of joy that it's been rescued, or it's crying for a musty one to come back and bring him home as well. I'm going to clean up those tears. Put a smile back on this guy's face. Well, while I'm waiting for parts, trying to just stay busy and do the little things on the bus when you have no parts. So I'm going to try to just clean this dash up a little bit. Got some rust running down the dash. So first thing I'm going to try is I'm just going to try and take some compound to it first before I hit it with any sandpaper. So we're going to put the kernel on it, on that bezel. I did order some of that chrome cleaner you guys recommended on one of those videos. Was it Auto Sol or something? I'm not sure. I should go grab it. I'm going to do a shootout with the brassy and that stuff. Probably on a bumper. But something like this. Cleans it up pretty nice. Not bad, not bad. Get a little more on the inside bezel there, but she's shining. Looking good, looking good. I know it's not much, but hey, it looks better. A little bit every day, every bit counts. All right, somebody asked for some charger action, so taking the charger out today. Head to Josh's baseball practice, grab some ice cream and go for a cruise on one of the nicest, well, it is the nicest day of the year so far, so charger time. Alright guys, well it's box van day. Cleaning out the box van. This is where I think the shelves are going to go. I'm going to pull these out, these white ones, and maybe hang those in the shop, or garage rather, and put those 8-footers in here. 16-foot box, so should work out. I think there's 8 motors in here. There's a really old one in here too. I gotta get this thing out of here. I think that's a 55, I think, out of a convertible, believe it or not. Low miles. I'll tell you more about that later. Good news for me, the white-faced hornets have not moved in yet. So here's where we're at. Just got these white shelves out, and we have a few motors in here. I think there's like 8 whole motors. There's a couple cores there, core there. Moving right along, but this is an early motor. I gotta get this thing out of here. What is that? A 1111. That's the VIN or the engine number on that. I think this is out of a 55 convertible with only 3,000 miles. It was pulling out of a Volkswagen dealership, and it got hit. Oh wait, yeah, that's the one. Crazy. Nice motor though. Gotta get that inside. So, you ever have one of those days where you're just looking for a screwdriver? Yeah, I just need a screwdriver. I found Phillips. So when you're looking for a Phillips, you probably find a flathead. Yep, just one of those days. Gotta laugh. Keep on laughing. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. It appears my sump pump has gone bad. The good news, the town hardware store has one. Even better news, I get to drive the 2387. It's a great excuse. Otherwise, If the sump pump didn't go bad, I'd be organizing and cleaning and working all day. But now, I get to take the old 2387 67 VW Nut 1967 Special out for a spinnerooski. So I'm pumped. Even though I got 3 inches of water in the basement, I'm pumped. Well, we're all set up. We're gonna take you for a cruise to the hardware store and... Oh! What do you think the chances of this making it? I don't know. She wasn't starting. Good. Kind of knew that was going to happen. But I like to go for it. So, yeah. Kind of knew that was going to happen. Sometimes you just got to go for it. Well, we just went for the jump, and I forgot to turn the key on, of course. I got to the very end, and I remembered to check the key. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me. Here's what's left of my cigar ashtray. Not looking too good. So I had a great week hanging out with my son. Got a chance to weld for the first time. He loves working on the bus. Gonna get this one over to the other garage. Almost finished cleaning up over there. So I just want to say thank you again for all the support, the likes, the comments. I can't say thank you enough. I hope you're having a great day, and we will see you on the next one. Take care, guys.